Black Friday's here and it's the time of year when you save money. But what if I told you you could save and make money at the same time? Thanks to the people at Termageddon. What? Was I not clear enough? I said
Termageddon.
I love using Termageddon for 5 big reasons. Number 1, they're founded by an actual private attorney. Number 2, they provide all the policies on our website. Number 3, they automatically update the policies whenever the laws change. I don't have to lift a finger.
It's socially okay to lift a finger.
Number 4, they've got great reseller and affiliate programs for web designers. And number 5, the biggest of them all, I and my clients are protected from fines and lawsuits. If you build websites for a living, then going with Termageddon is a no-brainer, and their Black Friday deal is amazing. So let's cut to the chase. If you need policies to cover your website, Termageddon are giving you 30% off their plans from the 20th of November to the 27th. All you gotta do is sign up and you'll get 30% off. But that's not all. If you're a web designer, they're also giving you 2 major deals. If you're an agency and you're new to Termageddon, you go and sign up. You don't need to put in any credit card details. They're going to give you 2 free licenses. You could use it on your website, and maybe you've got another subdomain or another website or even a client's website. You can even give it to them as a Christmas present if you want. And if you're worried about having that kind of difficult conversation where you have to explain privacy policies and fines and lawsuits and what's at risk and how you have to protect yourself, Termageddon give you all of that information. So you get the sales materials, an email sequence, and even a waiver form. So that if your client kind of goes, no, thank you, I don't want to go with this, you've got something to evidence that you did explain this to them and they decided or declined to go with it. That's all good and well for people who are brand new to Termageddon, but what if you've already signed up? What's in it for you? Termageddon are going to give agency partners 15 licenses for the price of 3. That's $336 a year. Now you can still charge your clients the full price, but this is how you are going to generate income for yourself. When you do the maths, you could be generating $1,300 for yourself. And that's before I've even included the cost for you to set this all up for them. And don't forget, you can also sign up as an affiliate for Termageddon as well. I know some of you are going to say, but I've winged it with copy-paste privacy policies from other websites. The law is getting tough and you need to protect yourself. And the last thing you want is 100 clients knocking on your door and saying, hey, you built our website, you did not explain things to us properly. Termageddon aren't just giving you one amazing deal. They're giving you a whole bunch. Did I tell you that I love using Termageddon? Because I love
Termageddon.